Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and confirming your Oxygen OS version so you know which menu labels to expect. This matters because options shift between updates. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% or plug in to prevent shutdown mid-change. Now go to Display and look for lock screen settings. If you don't see them, use the search bar at top and type lock screen. You're beginning the exact change rather than wandering menus, which saves time and avoids wrong toggles. You now locate the specific timeout control under Display, sometimes labeled Sleep or Lock Screen Display. Tap it to reveal presets like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, or never if your build offers it. Choose the shortest or longest depending on security versus convenience. Once selected, the setting applies immediately. Observe how it affects auto lock and ambient display. If you want finer control, check for advanced display or lock screen customization pages after this step, so you can tweak notifications or always-on options. You finish by testing. Leave the phone idle and watch how long until the lock screen turns off to confirm the new value. If the change doesn't take effect right away, restart the device to refresh system services. If problems persist, clear the Settings app cache or check for an Oxygen OS update, because stale cache or a bug can prevent the timeout from updating. If that still fails, you may need to reset display settings, back up important settings before doing so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.